afternoon, Dean Davidson, LiveWeatherBlogs.com, meteorologist here. Time for a severe weather update. Let's take a look. We have a couple areas of slight risk potential today coming to Ohio Valley. One up in Minnesota and Wisconsin, one back in Nebraska, and the other one laying between Oklahoma City and around Nashville, Tennessee. Best threat for them is going to be high winds and some isolated large hail. Tornadoes may occur, but a very low chance of occurring, maybe one or two today. We see the wind probabilities in those areas I've talked about, and the hail best suited for the Nebraska and areas up in Minnesota. That's for the rest of the day. Now it gets a little active in the Roanoke Valley, in the Triad area when we get into the day on Tuesday. Let's include DC and Baltimore and areas such as Knoxville, Nashville, and all the areas in West Virginia. Also the upslope talk, we talked about the upslope the other day here in Nebraska. In Kansas, all areas, even in the East Coast, will have a chance of MCS clusters developing, and actually some supercells wherever the most unstable part of the boundary layer occurs. So keep that in the back of your mind when we go into today on Tuesday. Wednesday, we shoot it back into the Midwest, in Oklahoma City, down the Little Rock, the best shots for the potential of severe weather, and that would include tornadoes in that severe weather probability. As you can see in Missouri, we have some thunderstorms here. The Springfield radar, you can see we have a lot of training going on. So we actually do have a flood warning, flash flood warning, in effect for this area. It keeps training over and over. Let me pull this up for you. Polk County, Dallas County. Excessive rainfalls producing flash flooding in the Lindsay Creek Basin, flooding along the Lindsay Creek in a few state and county roads in central Dallas County and northwestern Polk County, including Highway C northwest of Buffalo. Do not go through low-level crossings. So that's just being smart. Turn around, don't drown. Alright, we're going to zoom out here. This is just letting you know, this is GR level 2 radar analysis. I have GR level 3 and 2, and this, if I really want to take a look at something interesting here, I can put this at pause. I want to take a look at this thunderstorm here, just near Springfield. I'm going to pull this across, and you can see thunderstorms are pushing about 30,000 feet. You can see it does have a good outflow on it also. So it's pretty interesting stuff that you can do with this GR2 analysis. But let's go to another radar where there is severe thunderstorm warning, which is to the east. We have this nice storm here. You can see it, bright pinks and stuff. We got a lot of wind here. We have some wind here. That's showing on this storm relative velocity scan here. High winds, especially down here in the middle of this bowing echo. Hail also with the storm. It's bowing out. You can see with heavy rainfall also. It's going to go towards Knoxville and the Knoxville radar site shortly. You can put it. More storms are occurring a little further to the east also. We have some storms here in far southwestern Virginia here going on. Out here near the Kentucky, Tennessee, and West Virginia border. And you can see some storms right on that Kentucky, Southwest Virginia border. Got a little spike of about 20,000 feet. Either pulsating thunderstorms, nothing severe at this point. But we could see some isolated severe weather in this area a little bit later today. Almost severe weather, we do have an area in Minnesota with a chance of hail and wind later in the day. This is going to be monitored for a possible watch going up. If you'd like to stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for all your latest weather information, and I'll be on a little bit later on with your overnight outlook. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com, meteorologist Dean Davidson. Have a great afternoon and stay safe.